Ready for the summer? Dive into the Waikiki experience. Hey there, summer enthusiasts. As the temperature keeps rising, are you longing for a cool oasis right in your backyard? Look no further. We're proud to introduce the Waikiki, an exceptional San Juan Fiberglass swimming pool design that perfectly fits beginner to intermediate swimmers. This modern, unique model is designed with love and expertise, standing out as something truly special in our industry. The Waikiki offers a cleverly maximized swim space, thanks to the innovative corner-placed entry steps. This opens up a world of possibilities for raft floating, lap swimming, water aerobics, games and so much more. But it doesn't end there. Even if you have a small to medium-sized backyard, the Waikiki's compact size fits like a charm, and its symmetrical design presents an excellent opportunity to get creative with your landscape options. It's the perfect fusion of modernity and convenience. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.